Hi everyone, in this lesson I'm going to talk about the first mobile report. We can not only view the report by using computers, but also use mobile devices like phone or tablets. Users can take a look of the report anytime and know the live data. Now let's take a look at some specific examples. In order to create a mobile report, we need to adjust the canvas size to be suitable for mobile. Select the mobile attributes under Template and check the box that Set as Mobile Canvas Size. After you select the box, it will show a prompt that asks you to save the file. After saving, we can see the report border line automatically fit to the size of typical mobile devices. The next section we are going to talk about the dataset setting. We need to create 3 database queries. For here, I will not do further explanations about the SQL query. For more information, you can take a look of our help document. The first dataset is called Details. And the second dataset query is called Sales. The third database query is called Return. Here we have 3 datasets. Then we are going to talk about Section 4, Report Design. We are going to have 2 charts on the top, and below is the corresponding dataset. We will pick A, B, C, D, and change the column width to 30. And for the row height, changes to 50. Combine A and B. As well as C and D. Select the cell after combination of A1 and B1 and insert gauge. And we use angular gauge. Click OK. It's same for the cell after the combination of C1 and D1. Next, we are going to change the row 2, 5, and 8 to 14. These 3 lines are used for titles. Change other row heights to 10. And we will enter data for those 6 lines. The next part, I'm going to insert the chart. Firstly, I will enter the title and data into the report. I will just copy and paste the report I just made. We need to pay attention to the parent and child cell and the expansion of the data. We need to bind data to database. For the cell element, the data, we will use the cells for the dataset, category for category name, and point value, we pick cells. For the style, we don't need to show title. And for the labels, we uncheck the box of percentage. For the value label, we will pick number. and we will enter million, which adds a unit for the title. We can bold the title and set the color. We can customize the color. And we can enter the color code as picture shown. For the theories, we can change the color to the color code as shown. For the range, we can set it to be custom from 5 and we can set it to 1. We just need to set the maximum or minimum. The maximum is, and we set the maximum to 20 million and the minimum to 1. And change the color to the color code as shown. And we can click OK. For the next step, we need to set up the value definition for access. We set the minimum to 0. In order to view on the mobile device, we need to uncheck the toolbar for sort, export image, and full screen display. We just uncheck all of those. The setting up of the second chart is similar to the first one. We just copy and paste the one I already made. Let's take a preview of the PC device. In the next part, I will talk about the chart settings. Next step, we need to click the server and choose Platform Manager. Log in to the decision platform. Click Manager, then Directory, and Add Template. We can pick the CPT we just created, the first mobile report. Pay attention here. For the type, we will use preview, and for the terminals, we will use tablet and mobiles. Log in to the mobile app, and then you can preview this report. That's all for the lesson about the first mobile report. Thank you for watching.